Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to exploring the latest insights and opportunities in the world of finance and investments, with a special focus on currency revaluation, gold and silver investments, cryptocurrency, and make money online opportunities, and more. If you're interested in staying up to date on the latest developments in currency revaluation, particularly the Iraq dinar and other currencies, best to subscribe to this channel. Please note that the content on this YouTube channel is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We are not licensed financial advisors, and the opinions expressed on this channel are based on our own research and personal experience. We strongly recommend that you do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a weekly giveaway of 100 Dogecoin. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and watch this video until the end, because if you don't, you will be automatically disqualified from the giveaway. We will be sharing a random hashtag keyword daily somewhere in the video, and then comment hashtag the keyword with no spaces in between in the comment section. Good luck. Now, let's proceed with the latest Iraq dinar news and intel today. Please take these information with a grain of salt, and please make sure to do your own due diligence. From Intel Guru Mark Z via PDK, article, Iraq is redrawing its economic map, precious metals in the facade. The government moves to diversify its non-oil sectors. They are sitting on tremendous reserves, and now they are developing them. There is much more in Iraq's income than just oil. They have many gold, silver, and phosphate in precious metals. They have far more resources now than what they did under Saddam Hussein when the Iraqi dinar was worth over $3. From NewsHound, Intel Guru Mountain Goat, if you are a financer or economists, and really study how things work in the real world, it can be seen that increasing the rate of Iraqi dinar will make it more valuable, and thus more companies outside of Iraq will want it. Better yet, if you reinstate the dinar on the global trading platforms. Thus, the amount of trade won't even matter, and the dinar will be more acceptable, and it will decrease the demand for the dollar on its own. Don't forget also that when the dinar is reinstated, it will be repeg off the sole dollar peg and pegged to a weighted basket of currencies. The next step is the in-country RV with the project to delete the zeros. Who will want the dollar when the dinar is more valuable in Iraq? So, as investors, we muddle through these trying times. We wait to see what the new Trump administration will do to help or hinder this situation in Iraq. From Intel Guru Frank 26, what is it we're looking for? Budget tables. But before the budget table can even be shown, what was it we needed from Kurdistan? Oil flow, because it's going to open the tables in the budget. The oil is but one of many things that needs the new exchange rate. If you see that oil has been agreed upon and you see it's flowing, and you see it coming to Baghdad, do you know how close you are to seeing those budget tables? Very close. From NewsHound Guru Tishwash, finally forward movement on the budget schedules. Article, after a difficult labor, the 2025 budget tables finally find their way to the Council of Ministers. Quote, the Iraqi parliament recently approved an amendment to the general budget related to Article 12, which settles a dispute between the Kurdistan region and the federal government over receiving the region's oil. From NewsHound Guru Militiaman, they haven't turned that Kurdistan oil on at 1310. Because there's a whole new ballgame coming to Iraq. It's a digital world, and Iraq's real effective value of their assets that they have. They don't have much debt. Non-oil revenues, taxation, gas. It's going to be amazing. The development road project. All the industrial cities they're going to build along that path. The private sector is going to go crazy. From NewsHound Guru Claire, article, huge wealth. What do you know about precious minerals in Iraq? Quote, Iraq is witnessing an important shift in its economic strategy as the government is moving towards diversifying sources of income and strengthening non-oil sectors, with the project to localize precious metals among the most prominent projects on this path. From Intel Guru Mark Z via PDK, article, Iraq announces new security agreement to Trump administration. Iraq is proposing a security agreement with the U.S. working together as partners for security throughout the Middle East. This is big. It's exciting to see Iraq become a sovereign independent country. It now needs a new rate. From NewsHound, Intel Guru FNULNU, article, from Raffidain banks in line with directives from the Ministry of Finance and the Central Bank of Iraq. Al Raffidain Bank has announced the launch of the first issuance of national bonds worth 2 trillion Iraqi dinar. The issuance period runs from February 10th to March 10th, 2025. This news comes directly from Raffidain Bank. I have had it for over a week, but didn't think it particularly important. The bonds are for a fact being sold now, and are being sold in dinar at the current rate. In other words, they are in circulation since February 10th. They will go off sale on March 10th. From Intel Guru Frank 26 Iraq Boots on the Ground report. From Firefly, they're saying they have an agreement with Baghdad to restart the flow of oil to Turkey through the pipelines this week. They are saying all the dispute has ended. Exports will resume in accordance with available quantities, ensuring a gradual return to the international markets. From Frank, realize what they're trying to tell you. Your currency is going out of its borders. Your oil is leaving its borders. What is the oil attached to? Your dinar. Your budget is about to be pumped financially. This is getting serious. From Newshound Guru Claire, article, urgent in numbers. Ministry of Planning announces the final results of the population census. Quote, the population of Iraq has increased by 39,618,000 people compared to the 1957 census, in which the population of Iraq was 6,500,000 people. From Newshound Guru Samson, Article 1, Kurdistan government, completing the population census in Iraq broke the psychological barrier. Article 2, Iraqi Minister of Planning, census indicators ensure fair distribution of resources. From Newshound Guru Militiaman, article, there's no way out except through radical and immediate reform, starting with restoring the exchange rate to what it was. Quote, warns of a stifling financial crisis and for reducing the dollar price. Well, they can't do that unless, of course, they do what? Raise the value of the currency. They can't change the value of the dollar. The people of the region, in the world, is watching for a radical move. All the indicators are there. They've been talking about it for long enough. We can see the pressure has been up. Before ending with few more last updates, the hashtag keyword for the 100 Dogecoin giveaway is population. Comment below which update you like, or let us know what you think, or simply share any additional info you have. You can be the lucky winner if you like, subscribe, and watch the main content of this video. This will be for this coming Sunday's giveaway, and the winner will be announced in one of the Sunday's videos, so you do not want to miss it. From Intel Guru Mark Z via PDK, article, Iraq reiterates OPEC pledge ahead of restart of Kurdistan oil exports. 400,000 barrels a day are headed back into the market soon. They are inspecting and taking the pipeline out of mothballs as we speak. From Intel Guru Frank 26, we now have a new population census. They were using Article 140, but it wasn't complete, so you are not going to have equal distribution. It's not fair to come out with a new exchange rate. We now have a new population census. And finally, the last update is from Newshound Guru Claire. Article, after a difficult labor, the 2025 budget tables finally find their way to the Council of Ministers. Quote, the Ministry of Finance will finish preparing the tables and send them to the Council of Ministers for voting on them in the middle of next month, noting that the Council of Ministers will vote on the tables without delay, and then send them to the House of Representatives for voting on them. That's all for the latest updates on the Iraq dinar. What are your thoughts of all the articles or news coming from Iraq and opinions from these intel providers? Moreover, we posted a breaking news video today. We've discussed how the U.S. Treasury Department and the U.S. Federal Reserve recently praised the Central Bank of Iraq for its efforts in reforming the banking sector. This praise signals a huge leap forward in Iraq's monetary reform and paves the way for the revaluation or reinstatement of the Iraqi dinar. We broke down why this is so important and what it means for Iraq's financial future. Please go ahead and check it out by clicking on the link on the top right of this video, as you don't want to miss this. Lastly, we will continue to post videos about the recent events and articles supporting the changes taking place in Iraq, so you don't want to miss them. Also, don't forget, please drop a comment below with hashtag and the keyword and let us know what you think. If you like this content and like to support this channel, Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. See you on the next video. Bye.